children. Good morning. Welcome to Maths class. Please share, subscribe, and like my Be inspired. So today we are going to solve some more word problems. Shall we go? Solve the following word problems. So we'll start one word problem, children, now. The first word problem. Cost of a TV set is 7,689 rupees and a LCD is 9,455 rupees. Which is more costly and which is more costly and how much? So here they are saying that TV set cost is 7,689 and LCD cost is 9,455 and which is more. So if you are getting this keyword, what we should do? Yes, subtraction. So we can write the steps as cost of TV set is equal to rupees. Sorry. First we will write the bigger number, no? So we will write first we will write cost of among TV set and LCD, which is the highest cost, Nana? Which number is bigger one? Yes, LCD, right? So first we will write cost of LCD is equal to 9,455. Now we will write the smaller number. Cost of TV set is equal to 7,689. And they asked what which is more costly? LCD is more cost. By how much they ask? No, so that is the reason we are doing subtraction. So when compared to 5 and 9, 5 is small when 9. So that is the reason we'll take borrow. We can't do subtraction now, so that is the reason we'll go for borrow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many I should cut? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 4. So 4 and 8, which is the bigger one? 8. But we can't do subtraction from 4. So that is the reason we'll go for borrow. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many I should cut? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 4 you already given, so that is the reason here 3 will be. So can we subtract from 3? 6? It is not possible. So that is the reason again we should go for borrow. So this will become 8 and it will become 13. Now draw here 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many I should cut? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now from 8 and 7, which is bigger one? 8. So we can do direct subtraction. 8 minus 7, how much? 1. So the answer is 1766. LCD is more cost by 1766. Now we'll go for next question. In a village, there are 5,678 persons are literate. Literate is nothing but the persons who know education, who have a education. Okay, out of 7,000, how many persons are illiterate? So out of 7,000 members, these many members are educated and how many members are not educated? So total number of persons, because this is saying number, that is the reason we are writing number. Okay, total number of persons is equal to 7,000 and number of literates is equal to 5,678, and they are asking number of illiterates. Is equal to minus. So up here all are zeros only. So what I should do first, I'll give borrow from hundreds place and from hundreds place to tens place and from tens place to ones place. So from here you give and borrow, this will become 9. From here you give and borrow, it will become 9. And from 7 it will become 6. So 10 minus 8. Open your 10 fingers and close 8. How much? Yes, 2. Now open your 9 fingers and close 7. Yes, 1, 2. Now open your 9 fingers and close 6. Yes, how many are left? 1, 2, 3. Now open your 6 fingers and close 5. How many are left? 1. So how many illiterates are there in the village? 1,322 persons are not educated out of 7,000 members. Now move on to the next word problem. Mr. Gupta had 9,575 rupees in the bank. Mr. Gupta had 9,575 rupees in the bank. He withdrew 7,850. He withdrew 7,850. How much money has he in the bank now? How much money has he in the bank now? see what he is saying. This person, Mr. Gupta, he has 9,575 rupees in the bank, and among that, he withdrawn means he just took the money from the bank. 7,850 he took from the bank, and they are asking how much money is left in the bank. So the left is a word which we'll use for subtraction, right? Withdraw is nothing but just he took away, no? So that is the reason this will come under subtraction. This is saying about money. You can write money in the bank or amount in the bank is equal to 9,575. Amount withdrawn. 7,850. Amount left in the bank. You no need to write in the bank. If you want to write, you can. Or you can say simply amount left. Now 5 minus 0, yes, 5. 7 minus 5, open your 7 fingers and close 5. 1, 2. Now 5 minus 8, not possible. So we'll go for borrow. This is 15 and this will come before number. So draw 15 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many I should cut? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So open your 8 fingers and close 7. How many are left? Yes, 1. So how much money is left in the bank? 1,725 rupees. How much money is left, children? 1,725 rupees. Okay. So in this way, you people are going to solve the word problems. Just first we have to read the word problem carefully, and then we have to check is there any keyword, like we written some keywords, but not don't think that always only those keywords will come for us. Sometimes see like this withdrawn, and these words also will come, general words also will come. So to know all these things, we have to. So by using this, you all can understand. I hope you all understand my video. You all understand the topic. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Please share, like, subscribe my channel.